What is up, everyone? Hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, Apple announced some new things, including some subscription services that I think you guys are going to find pretty cool. And today, I'm at my grandparents' house, so I'm in my car right now filming this video for you guys. And I apologize if the audio is kind of weird. I don't have my mic with me. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, I'm so happy you're here. And this channel is all about tech and having fun, so if those things are interesting to you, then I would love it if you would drop a press on that subscription button down there. Alrighty, let's get into the video, and I'll see you in a bit. Alrighty, the first thing that Apple announced today was an addition to their news app. Now in the news app, you can read magazines with this new paid subscription service. It's only $9.99 a month, and I'm not that big into magazines, but some of the design stuff that they have in this new magazine section looks pretty cool. I would definitely go check them out on Apple's website, and I'll link that down in the description. It's all over their front page currently. So, if you guys want to get this news thing, it's available now actually. If you update your phone to the newest iOS, it will be a new section and you can get a 30-day free trial of this new news app. For all you gamers out there, Apple announced something new today for you guys. It's called Apple Arcade, and this thing's pretty cool. This is another subscription service, and they showed some games in their Apple live stream event, and man, these games look pretty cool. They look like they could be console-worthy games. Like, the design is just amazing. I don't play video games a whole lot, but man. Alright. Apple hasn't given exactly how much this is going to cost, but they say that there's going to be more information later. They say it's going to be a section on the App Store, so once you've signed up for this, you can get access to over 100 games, and you can play them from any of your Apple devices on your computer, your iPhone, your iPad, your Apple TV. Basically any of the Apple devices, they're allowing this to be on there as well. Probably one of the most interesting announcements that Apple made today is the Apple Card. And this is basically Apple's version of a credit card. I know it's weird, but they say that there's not going to be any fees, no fees. Basically, that's what they basically said. There's probably a few fees somewhere in there, but they wanted to make it as simple as possible. They say it's going to be super easy to sign up for. All you have to do is just click a button in the Apple Wallet app, and you can basically be approved within, I think, 5 minutes is what they said. And this card is really special because it's directly related to the Apple Wallet app. So the Apple Wallet app will give you a whole lot of information about your spending habits, how much you spend every day, and Apple says that depending on how you use the card, you can get up to 3% cash back when you use the card. And I know there's some places, wait, really? Yeah, there's some places that don't have Apple Pay, and that's how you would use this card because it's mostly online. But Apple has a solution for that. Apple has a specially designed card that's super minimalistic. It looks super amazing. I'll probably show it to you guys around right here. But it's basically a titanium card. It's etched in. It will have just like your name, and then it will have the scanner code that the reader can use. It's just super minimalistic. There's no card numbers. There's no CVV numbers on there. Nothing like that. It's all supposed to protect your privacy. And if you guys want to see more of this information about this, I would definitely go check Apple's website in the description. Alright, lastly, probably one of the most anticipated announcements is the new Apple TV Plus. This is pretty cool because they're working with a bunch of creators, including Steven Spielberg and a bunch of other famous creators out there that are making some amazing stories. And they're bringing it to all Apple devices, and this is something they've never done before. Apple has never done this before. They're working with smart TVs, so now you can get Apple TV on smart TVs, and you can get it on Roku, which is what I have at home, and I'm super stoked about this because now I can actually finally use something Apple TV related without having to pay for an Apple TV, because I can't afford that. Anyway, throughout all this, Apple kept insisting the following, that all their services are easy to use, that they pay attention to detail, and that they are designed to keep your information private and secure. That they are created by experts and that they are personalized, easy to use, and share with your family. Basically, all of these services that I've just talked about, you can all share them with your family. So with like the news one, it's just $9.99, and with $9.99 you can share it with your family, so you can get up to 6 people all together on that one subscription. So that's like literally less than $2 per person. That's pretty good. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about this weird setup, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, I would love if you would hit the subscribe down below. And if you're really interested about this, I definitely comment in the below, ask me questions, and I would love to see what you guys think of this new stuff. Anyway, I'll see you next time.